A YouTuber has asked in Magix Movie Edit Pro Premium 2022 on how to put a track on, how to split by left click where the red cursor's at, and the scissors, split, and how they should copy the first track for argument's sake, Control plus C, and how to paste it to the second line by highlighting the second line where the red cursor's at, right click, and paste object. Due to the program that I'm running, Screen Recorder, there is a delay. Let's say I want to put the same track on the third line where the red mark is. I left click. I highlight my third line by left click once. See if I can get this blue to come over here by left clicking on it. And then right click and paste. That is how we add in a copy and paste. I hope this was helpful to you if this resolved your question. Thank you.